guys, loving to this back, wanna share you how we created an ice cream on our YouTube video. Welcome back into my channel, guys. Love and goodness here. If you were new, welcome. If you were friends since before, thank you so much for watching, guys. So let's go into our YouTube channel so we can set up our YouTube video, guys. We go onto the channel. We'll choose this video TikTok because this doesn't have any end screen in it. That's my last video, so we can see what we do inside. This is it. Let's check it out from down where it is. From down a little bit. Where is it? Here. This is okay. Look, guys, it's above here. It's right on the end screen. It has cross, which means that the end screen did not finish yet. So we will go on to YouTube Studio to edit how we set up this end screen. Because now it's crossed the end screen now. We'll go on to edit video to set up how we do on it. Here we go. Now we're inside of YouTube Studio. So it's down here. We go down. Here was the end screen. It's above here. We can under the info card. So as you can see, the end screen was from down. When we press it, we go into the setup. We have to press Creator Studio because we were not yet inside. So here we go. We have a lot of things here. Obviously above here there is a lot of work. So we have to press the end screen because we will set up our end screen. This is the end screen, what we have to set up just right now. So we will click it. And they give us a setup to do before we do it, so we have to just click. Save time, we just press the next. They give us another, again add an element, we just press next also. They give us another also, so we will press only next. Okay, here we go, we're inside, we press the add an element, then we go inside. There is 3 things, so I choose the best of viewer. It will be easier for people check our video. This is it. It was up here, but you can put any place where you wanna do in this square things your video. I will choose it to be down here, so it's much more better. I click another video, then I press the most viewer because it will be easier on people to watch our video. So this is it. Then I will put it down. I will just move this little bit. I choose it to be into the right side. It will be much and this I will put it up. So okay, this is up, and I will go back to the element to check the subscribe, because it will be easier for our viewer to subscribe. If they can see our video here, then they will subscribe on our channel. Let me move it a little bit. This, here you go, my subscriber. This I wanna put it up here. That was much more better. So it's done, guys. You can put how many video you want, but I put just only 2. Then we go down, press here, down here, and it's at the change save. Then you go up to save the things. Once it's done, we will go back into our channel to check if it is perfectly the setting inside. We go and press our channel, then as usual we check it. So here we go, guys. Before the end screen doesn't have a cross, and now it's gone the cross and it's written okay, which means that our video is done. So look at a video now. Before there is no end script, this is what I do just right now, and the subscribe to the middle and the end, the thing. So that's it, guys. Easier and faster to do, guys. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you're enjoying it. Every single week I make video for you to learn new things, to make some fun, because I could make another kind of video every single time. So hope you to subscribe my channel and watch my video. Thank you so much, guys. All of my support, so many thanks, guys, for support. I will try my best to go into your home every single time to support your home. And thank you so much, guys. See you guys next week. Thank you. See you guys.